Selena, Class 10, Chapter 7, Ratio and Proportion. Proportion. For non-zero quantities A, B, C, D are said to be in proportion if A is to B equal to C is to D. A, B, C, D are called the terms of the proportion, where A equal to first term, B equal to second term, C equal to third term, D equal to fourth term. A and D are called extremes, end terms. B and C are called means, middle term. If A is to B equal to C is to D, means A into D equal to B into C, means product of extreme equal to product of means. In A is to B equal to C is to D, the fourth term D is called the fourth proportional. Continued proportion. Three non-zero quantities of the same kind and in the same unit are said to be in continued proportion when, suppose, take an example, A, B, C are in continuous proportion if A is to B equal to B is to C. The second quantity, that is B, is called the mean proportional between A and C. The third quantity, C, is called the third proportional to A and B. In general, the non-zero quantities A, B, C, D, E, all of same kind and of in same unit, are in continued proportion if A upon B equal to B upon C equal to C upon D equal to D upon E, and so on. Exercise 7b. Find the fourth proportion to 1 upon 1.5, 4.5 and 3.5. Let the fourth proportion to 1.5, 4.5 and 3.5 be x. Therefore, 1.5 is to 4.5 equal to 3.5 is to x. 1.5 into x equal to 3.5 into 4.5. Divide by 1.5, x equal to 35 into 45 upon 10 into 10 into 15 into 10. Do the cancellation, equal to 10.5. X equal to 10.5. Second part, 3a 6a square plus 2ab square. Let the fourth proportional to 3a 6a square plus 2ab square be x. Therefore, 3a is to 6a square equal to 2ab square is to x. 3a into x equal to 2ab square into 6a square. Divide by 3a on both the sides. X equal to 2ab square plus 6a square equal to upon 3a equal to 4a square b square. Therefore, x equal to 4a square b square. Second, find the third proportion to, first, 2 upon 2, 2 by 3 and 4. Let third proportion to 2, 2 upon 3 and 4 be x. Therefore, 2, 2 by 3, 4x are in continued proportion. Therefore, 2, 2 by 3 is to 4 equal to 4 is to x. 2, 2 by 3 is 8 by 3. 8 by 3 upon 4 equal to 4 upon x. Cross multiply, x equal to 16, 4 4s are 16, into 3 by 8, do the cancellation, equal to 6. Therefore, x equal to 6. Second part, a minus b and a square minus b square. The third proportional to a minus b and a square minus b square equal to bx. Therefore, a minus b, a square minus b square, x are in continued proportion. A minus b is to a square minus b square equal to a square minus b square is to x. A product of extreme into product of mean. Therefore, a minus b into x equal to a square minus b square into a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b upon a square minus b square. Divide by a minus b on both the sides. Therefore, x is equals to a minus b into a plus b into a square minus b square upon a minus b. A minus b cancels each other. X is equals to a plus b into a square minus b square. Third, find the mean proportional between 1. 6 plus 3 root 3 and 8 minus 4 root 3. The mean proportional between 6 plus 3 root 3 and 8 minus 4 root 3 be x. Therefore, 6 plus 3 root 3 x, 8 minus 4 root 3 are in continued proportion, which means 6 plus 3 root 3 is to x equal to x is to 8 into 4 root 3. Product of mean equal to product of extreme. X square equal to 8 minus 4 root 3 into 6 plus 3 root 3. Open the bracket. 8 into 6, 48. Okay. Plus 8 into 3 root 3 is 24 3 root 3. Minus 6 4s are 24 root 3. Minus 4 3s are 12. 3s are 36. Plus 24 root 3 minus 24 root 3 cancel each other. 48 minus 36 is 12. X square equal to 12. Therefore, x is equals to 4 into 3. 4 root is 2. So, 2 root 3. Second part, a minus b and a cube minus a square b. Let the mean proportional between a minus b and a cube minus a square b equal to x, which means a minus b, x, a cube minus a square b are in continued proportion, which means a minus b is to x equal to x is to a cube minus a square b. Product of mean x square equal to product of extreme, a minus b into a cube minus a square b. In this, a square is common, equal to a square, a minus b into a minus b. That means x square is equals to a into a minus b the whole square. X is equals to a into a minus b. Sum number 4. If x plus 5 is the mean proportional between x plus 2 and x plus 9, find the value of x. It means x plus 2, x plus 5, x plus 9 are in continued proportion, which means x plus 2 is to x plus 5 equal to x plus 5 is to x plus 9. Product of mean x plus 5 the whole square equal to product of extremes x plus 2 into x plus 9. Open the bracket. X square plus 10x plus 25 equal to x square plus 11x plus 18. X square get cancel each other. 10x taken to the right minus 10x. 11 minus 10, 1. X equal to 25 minus 18, 7. X equal to 7. Sum number 5. If x square, 4 and 9 are in continued proportion, find x. X square, 4 and 9 are in continued proportion. Means x square upon 4 equal to 4 upon 9. Take 4 on the right hand side into 4. X square is equals to 4 into 4, 16 upon 9. X equal to 4 upon 3. 6. What least number must be added to each of the number 6, 15, 20 and 43 to make them proportional? Let the number added be x. Therefore, 6 plus x is to 15 plus x equal to 20 plus x is to 43 plus x. Therefore, 6 plus x upon 15 plus x equal to 20 plus x upon 43 plus x. Cross multiply 6 plus x into 43 plus x equal to 20 plus x into 15 plus x. Open the bracket. 258 plus 49x plus x square equal to 300 plus 35x plus x square. X square get cancel each other. 49 minus 35, 14x equal to 300 minus 258, 42. 14x equal to 42. X is equals to 3. The least number added equal to 3.